Hello navigators, welcome back. In our previous lecture, we have talked about three kinds of models that are used to solve multi-phase flows. First one was the mixture model, the second one was the drift-flux model, and the third one was Euler-Euler model. This one is the easiest implementation in OpenFOAM called twoPhaseEulerFoam. Let's get started and talk about this. Stop here. Thanks for watching, and if you like the content of our channel, then please like, comment, share and subscribe.